thought I was gonna die in that.
Oh shit.
Oh no.
Insufficient funds.
That's not what you want to see. Is this the right way?
I don't know. Whoa. Is that you? Good morning. Today we're headed to country 51, which is Kazakhstan. So we're in Tashkent, Uzbekistan, and we're going to take a Yandex from Tashkent to the border crossing, which should be about 45 minutes, and then we're going to cross the border. We're just going to cross it on foot, and then from there we're going to call a Yandex to Shymkent. So that should be another hour and 15 minutes. So 2 hours total about, and then I don't know how long it's going to take to cross the border. It could be 15 minutes, it could be 3 hours.
It is a Saturday, so it is Saturday.
Yeah, it's Saturday.
It's Saturday. Yeah,
so it might be a little more packed, and we didn't really get an early start. So we're gonna be going. We'll be there in the afternoon, so maybe it will be a little bit worse. But hopefully it'll be quick since we're going on foot.
Yeah, I think there's also a bus that you could take that goes from Tashkent and crosses the border and then to Shymkent. But we just decided that we're going to DIY it and do taxi halfway across the border and then the other half, because I think with the bus it can end up taking a little bit longer of like unloading and reloading and then like waiting for everyone else to get through the border. So it's a little more expensive, I think, to do it by taxi. I'm not sure how much the bus is, but I think it takes quite a bit longer. So we're going to try and do it this way and hope that it works out. But I'm really sad to be leaving Uzbekistan. We've had such a nice time here. It's an amazing, amazing country. We've seen so much
we've seen
incredible stuff that's very unique that we haven't seen anywhere else in the world. I feel like Uzbekistan was the perfect place to be the 50th.
Yeah, 50th country.
Awesome. But now I'm excited for country 51 and to see Kazakhstan. So
yeah, Kazakhstan should be really cool, hopefully. Calling the Yandex. I think we're going to get a standard because it's a little bit bigger than just the start, I hope. So we won't be in like a Chevy Spark for 45 minutes, but looks like it's only $4, so that won't be too bad going to the border for 45 minutes. I think from the border crossing to Shymkent will probably be a little bit more or a lot more than $4, but we're requesting. All right. You taking your coffee?
No, but if you want to combine them, you can.
Oh, shoot.
Caffeine addict.
I don't know how much water. I have like half of the bottles and everything. All right, ready?
Ready.
We're ready.
Goodbye, Tashkent home. See ya. Never.
Be back in this place.
Every time I see this little door, it reminds me of that horrifying scene in the Titanic when they're stuck on the other side and then he drops the key. Yikes.
We had a key for that one. It's unlocked.
No?
It's not that bad.
False alarm.
It's a gray Chevy Cobalt. Gray Chevy Cobalt. All the cars are Chevy, so it's hard to decipher. But it does have the license plate. Well,
my gosh.
how was that? That was like a 40-minute ride from
I
hell.
was certain that I was gonna die in that car.
The seat belts are stuck behind the seat, so there's no seat belts, and the guy was driving like a bat out of hell. He was insane. But we made it. We did make it to the border, or close to it, I guess.
All right, maybe let's figure out what we need to do.
Okay.
All right, crossing the
We
border.
made it. It's crazy.
Oh, look,
There's-
the time change now.
Oh,
It's
yeah.
an hour ahead. Are you changing?
Even though all we did was go north.
Yeah.
There's so many people here.
Is this the right way?
I don't know. I assume this is the right way.
Yeah, I think you should stop.
So we made it through. Everyone hounds you, all the taxi drivers hound you, ask you if you're going to Shymkent. Because it's about hour and 15, hour and 20 minute ride to Shymkent. And they can ask a lot of money for that ride. But there's a ton of shops here with food and drinks and SIM cards. It looks like just about every shop here has SIM cards. We'll just keep walking. Get away from all the people and then see if we can call a Yandex from the app. I have to check. I might need to get a SIM card for Kazakhstan here, but so far my Uzbekistan one is still working, so it may not work once we get farther in now. It's like a trying to find an ATM. There's one right here. Okay, I'll just do 30,000.
How much is that?
I think like 60, maybe $60. Oh shit.
Oh no.
Insufficient funds.
That's not what you want to see.
Maybe I'll try 20,000 or 10,000.
Did you check your account?
Yeah, I thought I had enough in there, but
This video is going to change from crossing the border to stuck at the border.
Please do not
Okay,
forget
okay.
to take your
I
card.
think that's like maybe like $50 or something, or $40.
Please take your card.
All right, now we cooking. We made it to Kazakhstan, and I think about 25 minutes. Took us about 25 minutes to cross, to leave Uzbekistan, cross the border.
I wrote down
And
the
then-
times. So we got to the Uzbekistan side at 1:18, but then the time like immediately changed and went an hour ahead. So we entered the border to cross to like leave Uzbekistan at 2:24, and then we exited on the Kazakhstan side at 2:46. So like 20 minutes.
Yeah,
it was so
22
crowded
minutes.
though, so you can probably get through a lot faster when there's like nobody here. But it's a Saturday, like middle of the afternoon, so the lines were crazy. But they had a lot of people working, so it moved really quickly.
There is like a store here that we stopped at once you get past the booth. There's a store, and it's really a lot less chaotic than anything else. And there's an ATM. So, got some money. We went into the store. Of course, they didn't have enough change, so we'll have to wait until we get to Shymkent to get some water. But the SIM card is the Uzbekistan SIM card is still working right now. I don't know how long it'll work. Maybe
Somehow.
maybe it's still pinging off the Uzbekistan towers, but we're gonna call it Yandex, and I think it's like it said it was like $35 or something, which
It's definitely not the cheapest way to do it.
yeah, I'm sure it's cheaper than a taxi or whatever those guys.
Yeah, but they have the
order
like the
off.
vans also,
Yeah.
and that's probably, I don't know, a few dollars, but we're being bougie,
Yeah, yeah.
which is very unlike us. But after that first taxi ride, I don't know how much more I can take.
That's true.
It was like imminent
Hopefully
death.
this one, the seatbelts work, and the guy's not a crazy driver.
I don't know.
Yeah. Because it's hour 15 minutes, or it'd probably be hour 20,
Yeah.
because there's a lot of traffic. But.
Yeah. Okay, let's
All right,
call it.
I think we can do this.
Excuse me. Let's Yandex. Yandex.
No, I don't think.
What is your chicken?
No, don't. That's not it. That's not it.
What is
What is car?
Ask him what's your. Yeah, what? We can check in the car.
Whoa. Is that you? Yeah, okay.
No, the car.
Dusty. But didn't you cancel the index?
No, Yango. It's Yango.
Oh. Just make sure it's the right car.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. I guess because he's got his phone.
Yeah. I got dirt. Dirt blowing. It does say he's moving, so.
Yeah. I feel bad now that I thought that it wasn't him, but
What's the license plate?
oh no.
You can put your stuff in the front.
Yeah. Oh man.
It's okay.
Yeah. Oh, the seatbelt is back there again. Can you get mine?
Yeah.
Press the button. Good, you want this side?
Oh.
Made it. No, we just got an hour and 20-ish minutes, I think.
Welcome to our humble home in Shimkit. We are staying at the Hilton Doubletree here, which this is the nicest place that we've stayed, I think, in months.
Yeah.
But we had some Hilton points, so we decided to cash them in here, but we're only here for one night. So this is our room. We have this little kitchen-y-ish area over here. Got some closet space. Got Ben over here ordering us some food. And this is the bedroom. Not too bad. This is actually a really big hotel room. And then the bathroom and let's see, shower. So, which I'm about to shower immediately because once we came across the border, there was like a huge dust storm, and now we both have a layer. It's like coated in my hair and like on my skin. So my phone was like, it literally looked like if I had just dropped it in a pile of dirt. So I'm gonna shower, order some food. We'll probably take it easy tonight because we have to check out tomorrow, and then we're taking an 11-hour train that doesn't leave until like 11 p.m. tomorrow night. So we'll probably just eat and chill while we have a nice hotel room here. And then tomorrow we will explore Shimkent until our train at 11 p.m. And
That's it.
then, yeah.
I'm gonna go to the sauna later in the pool. Gotta take advantage of the sauna and the pool.
While we have it. And the gym. We
And
probably
maybe
should
the
go to the
Yeah,
gym,
maybe
but
the gym haven't
not
worked
really.
out in ages. Besides walking like 10 miles every day, so.
yeah. We'll see you next time on probably the train. Yeah, next video will be
11-hour night train.
on the train. So catch you then.